Testing Factory review. In this video, I'm gonna give you my honest review about Testing Factory. Maybe asking yourself, can you make money here with Testing Factory, guys? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my #1 recommendation to make money online from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it into your email inbox. Now let's talk about Testing Factory. This is the website that says that you can make money online by chatting with people online. Okay, so they say that you can make money online here as a freelancer, that you can just chat with people, okay, by talking with strangers. You can make money online. That's what they claim. But can you make that kind of money? Okay, how much can you make? You may be asking yourself. According to my own experience, guys, okay, do not waste your time on this kind of website. Okay, according to my own experience, because I've done some trying to make money with similar website like this one, guys. Okay, but I never make any money. I never receive any check. I never receive any money to my bank account. So I don't recommend for you guys to waste your time as well on this kind of website, because I've been there. I've been failing like you, trying to make money on this kind of website, doing surveys. I never make any money. I never receive any money, guys. So they say that, okay, you have to do a quick application. You have to age verification, meaning that you have to provide an ID to verify that you're a person, and also you be your own boss. You decide how much you want to work. That's not true. You can't make money here. What you'll do, okay, as a chat operator, you will work on some of our chat platforms and answer messages from real people with real desires and a great need for meaningful communication. Our chat operators help thousands of people every day to feel less lonely. Like, you'll be chatting with people that they are lonely, like in the USA. You don't have to be in the USA. You will be chatting with them. Okay, you have an opportunity to immerse yourself into a fantasy world and slip into a chat. You can chat about everything from everyday life, dreams and fantasies, whether it's about weather, sports, or something a little more. Okay, you provide meaningful and great support to our customers. The application itself takes less than 24 hours. Requirements: you must be able to speak English. You must be over the age of 18 years. You must have an internet and a good device. Okay, what you offer: work from home and money from every message you send. You get paid bi-weekly from them. You work when you want, whenever you want. Okay, that's what they claim. But how much can you make? Can you make a full-time income by doing this? No ways, you can't. Okay, so I don't recommend, guys, okay, to even sign or to even submit your own application here. Okay, because I know this kind of website, the way that they make money is by you signing for this website and also by you staying on the website. That's how they make their money. Okay, not you. Not you. Okay, so do not waste your time here, guys, on this kind of website. Okay, you get paid per every message that you reply. There's no limit on the number of messages you can reply to. You decide for yourself whether you can work full-time or part-time. Okay, they say that you can decide whether you want to work full-time or part-time, but how much can you make doing this? They don't talk about it. There is no proof that it's been verified that you made this kind of money. It's all claims. It's all claims, guys. Okay, do not waste your money here on this kind of website, guys. I repeat that. Don't even bother to sign up here. Okay, enough about this, man. Enough about this. Okay, remember, guys, I've been failing online. Okay, I've been failing online. I tried this kind of method, this kind of website. Okay, I tried testing. I tried doing surveys. I hope you know surveys. I tried doing surveys, wasting my time on surveys, playing games on this kind of website, doing this. Okay, they say that you can earn up to $350 per week, up to $550 per week. Ooh, that's a red flag. That's a red flag. That's a huge one, a big red flag. Okay, so as I said earlier on to you guys, okay, I tried to make money on this kind of website, doing some surveys, okay, watching videos, okay, chatting with people, but I never made any money. They never even send me money, okay. So I don't recommend for you guys to waste your time on this kind of website until, guys, I found the right mentor, until I found high ticket affiliate marketing that allows me to earn over $1,000 per sale, guys, okay. That's going to teach you how to start your online business the right way, a legit business, guys, okay, that you can make money online from home, that allows me to quit my 9-to-5 job, guys, okay, with high ticket affiliate marketing. If you want that training, guys, remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send it into your email inbox. If you have any questions, please leave your comment down below in the comment sections. I'm gonna get back to you as soon as possible. Take care and may God bless you. Sharp, guys.